Okay, so today we're going to learn how to lache. And lache is when you swing from a ball and slice through the air and grab another one. And it's pretty hard, but you'll eventually get it. I'll teach you how to. So first, you have to bend your knees like this. And after you bend your knees, you swing forward, hit like that, then re-grip almost every one. And then when you feel good, try to swing and grab the ball. And there's two ways to do it. So first way to do it is to grab it like this. And that's the harder way for me, so I don't get it. Do it that way. And so I do it like this. And that's a easier way for me. And I like to do it like that. And if you practice a lot, you'll eventually get it. And I'm the only person in the whole school who can do it. Because I'm getting into Royal. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit the bell if you like bells and get a lot of views. Bye.